Hey everybody, happy Friday, May 11th. Scrap every day, craft every day with Jan's Crazy Life. Please check out below for everybody that's a part of that. But I'm going to finish this today. Remember how cool this is coming out within the last couple of videos you saw me doing it? But I was going through my stash of vinyl that I had, and I picked out my bling, my glitter vinyl. Isn't that beautiful? So doesn't that match? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do her first initial in this and then her name in the glitter white. So I'm gonna go put that in the Cricut. But then you saw I was working on this the other day, right? Didn't even realize I had that. Does that match beautifully? Don't know what I'm gonna put on this. I don't know if I keep it for myself. I don't know. Oh my gosh. But I love it. Love it. I love the color. Reminds me of a mermaid. Alright, but we're working on the purple one because I need it for Mother's Day. So I'm gonna go cut this and then I'll be back. Okay, so my vinyl cut out already. Real quick because it's not a big area. So I'm just taking my alcohol. And you always got to clean off your glass, especially before you apply your glitter and before you apply your vinyl. Just cleans the surface. I should actually have my husband make me a jig to house the wine glass so it doesn't move while I use it. But you know what? I bet you that would work. Haha, look at that! Oh my god, sometimes I amaze myself. Alright, so I'm actually loving this. Loving this. I'm actually feeling really well today. Loving that. I do have to go clean. Today's cleaning day. As soon as I'm done with my craft, I'm gonna get my act together and get my butt in motion. FYI, I am going to cheat. Please forgive me for cheating. I will try to craft every day in May for Saturday and Sunday, but I do have a graduation and I do have family coming up. So I will sneak into my office for a little mental health. But my card tutorial videos will probably be done sometime today, and I will upload them on a daily basis just because I can't break away from family for that long on this special occasion. So right now I'm just cutting out where the name would end, because I like to save as much of my vinyl as possible. And I'll show you what I mean in a second. Show you what I mean. I'm sure you've seen this on my videos before. I want to go. Yeah, because every little piece counts when you're building a house. Now, that was from the Brady Bunch, remember? When they were playing with the deck of cards, building houses. Yeah, I'm just rambling. How's that? I'm just rambling. Alright, so we'll get rid of these dirty mats. I need new mats. I'm really in love with this vinyl. Oh my gosh, am I in love with this vinyl. Alright, so the initial S will go down first, and let me show it to you. You know what? I'm gonna find a way to save that the other part of this. Let's see. So this is just my transfer piece. It's just contact paper. There's already a bubble in there. All right, so then, excuse my head if it gets in there. I'm just gonna line the S up. So I have to bring it closer to me. Right about there. And then I have to get all of the bubbles out. hard when you're working on a round surface. Flat surfaces are so much easier. So much easier. But just don't be afraid of your vinyl. Ta-da! Look at how stinking cute that is. I will put paper behind it. There you go. Get the glare out. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Alright, now we have to get the word Susan. Actually, I should stuff that with paper so I can see it. Alright, now on to the next word. Oh, I know you can't see it. Okay. I'm being quiet because I'm thinking. Haha. Funny, right? Actually, you know what I have to do is I have to look at my screen because I had it centered on and I know exactly where to put this. And the U goes right above, and there's the S. Okay. It's the base of the U. Oh, look at how stinking sweet this is. Oh. Now these are just hand washable. You can't put these in the dishwasher. I guess that's kind of almost like self-explanatory. Can you all see that? Look at how beautiful. Maybe I should change the paper color on the inside of it. I don't think I have purple. Oh, I do! Well, then you won't see the S, will you? Maybe I'll just do pink. I'll do pink. Oh, loving it! Oh my gosh. Alright, this is one of the Mother's Day baskets. This is one's for Danica, TJ's girl. So I grabbed the Bolero products and she got some press-on nails. And I thought, how cute would this be? Now the cards I made, I think 2 days ago? I didn't post on my Instagram because Danica follows me on Instagram. So I was like, I can't post those cards because she can tell which one's hers because it's got the puppy paw. Wow, these are big bags. I didn't realize how big these bags were. So baskets are now finished. Yay! That's for Danica, that's for my mother-in-law, and that one's for my sister. And that's the wine glass that's going to Shannon's mom. How cute did these come out? Aren't they adorable? Loving it. I'm going to swing you around real quick. I want to show you. I hope I don't get you guys dizzy. I want to show you. You see this? I got this from Home Shopping Network. This is the We Are Memory Keepers board. I think I got it last week and I put it up on Sunday. But look at how cute it holds all the boards. It does take up some prime real estate on your desk or in your craft room. I'm going to come around this way, sorry. But what I did was I put it on top of one of, it's heavy, those from the Dollar Tree. So it gives me space underneath it. Isn't that cool? So anyways, those are the baskets. And that's the new add to my office this week. And I just want to say, different view, huh? Okay, so I'm done with the wine glass. I'm done with the baskets. I gave you a little quick little circle of my little office area and my We Are Memory Keepers holder. And then I'm thinking that I am going to be putting something in the bag. I'm thinking I'm going to be putting these on. What do you think? A little sneaky? Sneaky. Who's being sneaky? I'm being sneaky. All right, somebody said that I put, oh, I know what she thinks I did. Okay, never mind. Somebody sent me a message and I now know what she was talking about. So guess what, girls? Page marker. Going in. How cute. Shh, don't tell nobody. Do you guys know how much I appreciate you? I hope you guys know how much I appreciate you. Isn't this beautiful? And this is, don't look in that basket. Those are things that I want to, did you guys see that basket? Don't look at that basket. That's where I store the things I want to put in that case. So anyways, happy Friday, and I hope to see you guys, well, I don't see you real soon, but I will see you real soon. All right, everybody, have a great day. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Please leave me a comment. I will see you all real soon. Bye.